We're going to do a quick review before we go into the new material that we're going to cover today. So far to date, you have gone through section 1 and you've created your basic materials list. You have created a flow chart of how you think your website will go from hitting the home page and how the viewer will proceed through it. And we have taken a look at how to create basic content for posts in our material and understanding the difference between static and dynamic content. Today, we're going to take a look at a section of the dashboard called Pages. Pages are static content that we will use to set up the shell of our website across the materials that we're going to take a look at today. To get started, we're going to need to discuss how we're going to add new pages. To add a new page in your website, go to Pages and go to Add New. At this point, you will see that there is an area to type in your title. There's an area to type in your content. Now, when you type in your title, it's important to understand that whatever you type in that window will end up being in your navigation bar as the title for people to see and click on. On the right-hand side, you'll see a Publish section where it says Save as Draft. You can save it, edit it, and not publish it until you're ready. You have a status, visibility, and you can even delay publishing if you wish. Whenever you're ready, hit the blue Publish button and that will publish your page to your blog. When we look at our blog page, you'll see that there is a header area and then there's this black bar, which is your navigation bar. Right now, the word home is there because people can always click and go home, but there's nothing else there. As we begin to add pages, you will see that it will add pages across the black navigation bar where people can go to additional content. To get us started today, I have some preset pages here that we will take a look at, and you'll notice that I've named them according to the way we've done our shell. For bio and resume, I'll edit this, and you can see when it comes up, I have some preset content for a bio. You'll notice that the permalinks are set up with the file names and the website names so that that'll help you get caught up in your Google search. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit Publish. I get the yellow bar across the top to confirm that it's published to the database. And let's go take a look at what this does in our actual blog. Watch when I refresh the page, you'll see that we have a new button added to our navigation bar. Now, when I click on Bio Resume, I have my biography as I had set it up in the page. Now, if I go ahead and I publish all the other content that I have, my portfolio, I'll publish. My social media, I'll publish. You can see once I publish them, now my entire menu is set up across the navigation bar. And I can click on any of those buttons and go to additional content. So what I'm going to ask you to do today is to set up your content the way your flowchart is set up so that people can go ahead and click across your content to see the materials that you want them to see.